Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today, and in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to remove the back plate and the boards from this LG unit. It is model number 65QNED80URA. If you are having display issues, we're going to be teaching you how to remove the T-Con board and the main board. If you are having power issues, we're going to be teaching you how to remove the power supply board. And let's jump right into it. The first step here is going to be to remove the back plate. So I do have the television laid down on its face on a soft surface. We got like a square of foam underneath here. I do apologize, we couldn't fit the entire television into frame. It's just a fairly large television. But luckily with these LG units, this is going to be fairly straightforward. We're going to go through, get all of the screws out of the back, and then we'll move on to the next step. After we have gone through to take out all the screws, we do want to do one more pass just to make sure that we didn't miss anything. It looks like we are pretty good to go here. All right, then I'm just going to go around the outside, start trying to make a little bit of space in between the chassis itself and the back plate. And it does appear that there are some clips, they feel fairly loose, that are keeping the back plate affixed to the chassis as well. So we're just going to go around the outside, slowly lift up, a little bit of upward pressure. Not too much, we don't want to cause any damage. If we're running into any resistance, we just want to go to a different spot and try a little bit more upward force to get those to pop away. Feels like these are coming away very easily now. Get the ones along the top. And that does look like it. And after we do that, we can take the back plate right away, and that gives us access to the boards in the back of the unit. The first board that we're going to be removing is the main board here, and the first step for the main board is to get all of the clips and connections connected to the board away from the board. So start with this guy right here. There are two levers on the right and left side that we want to pinch down, and we just want to walk that right out of that connection. These ribbon cable connections, these three ribbon cable connections are all going to be the same. We just want to lift up on that black flap with our finger or our fingernail, and we do want to be very gentle with these. These can, after being in a TV for a while, they can be fairly difficult to remove. So we just want to be very gentle. We want to take our time. We don't want to cause any damage to those connections. And if they are being extra stubborn, we can do kind of what I'm doing here, where we're putting a little downward pressure onto that connection. Just trying to get it loosened up a little bit so they come away, like that one just did there. Same thing here. We're just going to give it a little bit of pressure. A little bit of downward force, and I'm just pushing down very gently where that connection is actually meeting the ribbon cable connector. Sometimes that can help just kind of break a little bit of tension that's in there. So, all right, and that one comes out. Last clip right here is going to have a lever on the back that we're going to depress with our finger, and we're just going to slide that right away from the board. Now that all the connections are away, we are going to go through, get all of the screws, and this board will be finished. Once we get all the screws away, we can just lift this board up and out. It does feel like there's a little bit of resistance here. That's most likely some thermal pads on the bottom kind of acting as an adhesive, and that is the main board for this unit. The last board that we're going to be removing here is the power supply board. There are just three connections here around the outside. Let's start with this guy right here. Just like on the main board, we are going to depress the two little clips, the two little levers on the right and left side, and we're going to pull that away from the power supply board. Pops right out. These two guys are going to have little levers on the back that we're going to depress with our finger or our fingernail, and they should just slide right out of those connections. That's one, and that's two. Looks like we have a handful of screws going around the outside, and this board will be finished. Once we have all the screws out, this should just lift up and away, and that is the power supply for this unit. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about this or any other TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.